an eye on him. We'll be right there. Poacher! Stop right there!
Oh yeah, sure. Hold on. And by that, I mean get a load of this.
Look out, you guys! Roy, are you all right?
Don't worry about us. Take care of Poacher.
All right. Ellie, stay with me.
You got it!
Stop, Poacher!
Pesky little bug.
Why don't you give up? The mountain rescue team's after you, too.
Those two punks? I already took care of them a while ago. Just like this. Yeah.
Wally, look out! You're headed for the cliff!
Ah!
Hold still. I'm gonna pull you up. Safe and sound.
Wally, you're safe!
Yes, thanks to Bucky.
If it wasn't for you, Wally would have been in real trouble.
You saved my life. Thank you.
No problem.
So what do we do next? Roy and Amber are down and Poacher just got away.
Yeah, well, we kind of know where Poacher might be.
What? Why didn't you tell us that?
We thought we'd be able to settle this thing with Poacher all on our own.
Yeah, we didn't anticipate you'd be in this much danger.
Looks like I was right.
Ellie, everything's all right. Anyway, since you know where to find him, let's go get Poacher now.
Let's go. It's time we team up and end this. This is it.
I don't think he's come back yet.
But how can you be sure?
Allow me. We placed a sensor inside the cave.
That way we'd know if the Poacher came back.
Wow, that's high-tech. Huh? Poacher's on his way. Everyone get ready.
Right.
No, Polly.
Poacher!
Who's there?
Well, where are you?
I'm right behind you. Give up, Poacher!
Hey! Let go of me.
Been a long time, Poacher.
You're harming innocent animals. I didn't even think you could stoop so low. Do you really think you can hold me with these pathetic ropes?
Hey guys! Mark! Bucky! Wally! Hang on!
Don't worry about us. Go and fight Poacher.
They think they can catch me, but they can't.
Don't be so sure. Your luck just ran out, pal.
Right along with our patience. Roy! Amber! Perfect timing, you guys!
Get out of my way. Go on. You don't know who you're dealing with. Oh, come on.
Why don't you just give up? It's not like you're gonna make it far like that.
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
Hey! Stop! Poacher!
Help me!
It looks like the poacher got